How to get success. Success is one of the most important goals in every person's life. Everyone wants to become successful, whether in education, career, business, or personal life. However, success does not come by luck alone. It requires hard work, patience, dedication, and the right attitude. Different people may define success in different ways. For some, success means becoming rich and famous, while for others it means achieving happiness, peace, and personal goals. No matter what success means to us, there are certain qualities and habits that help us achieve it. The first and most important step towards success is setting clear goals. A person without a goal is like a ship without a destination. Goals give us direction and motivation. When we know what we want to achieve, we can make a proper plan and work towards it. It is important to set realistic and achievable goals. Big goals should be divided into smaller steps so that they become easier to accomplish. Hard work is the key to success. There is no shortcut to achieving great things in life. Successful people are those who work consistently and never give up easily. Many famous personalities faced failures and difficulties before reaching their goals. Their determination and continuous effort helped them overcome obstacles. Therefore, we should always remember that hard work and perseverance are necessary for success. Self-discipline is another important quality of successful people. It means controlling our habits, managing our time, and staying focused on our objectives. Many people have dreams, but only those who follow a disciplined routine can turn their dreams into reality. Wasting time on unnecessary activities can prevent us from reaching our goals. Good time management helps us use every moment wisely and increases our productivity. Education and learning also play a major role in achieving success. Knowledge gives us the power to understand the world and make better decisions. Learning should not stop after school or college. Successful people continue to improve themselves by reading books, gaining new skills, and learning from their experiences. In today's fast-changing world, continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth. A positive attitude is another secret of success. Life is full of challenges, and every person faces problems and failures. However, successful people do not allow failures to defeat them. Instead, they learn valuable lessons from their mistakes and try again with greater determination. Having confidence in ourselves and believing in our abilities helps us face difficulties with courage. Patience is also necessary on the road to success. Many people expect quick results and become disappointed when they do not achieve their goals immediately. True success takes time, effort, and sacrifice. Just like a plant needs time to grow and bear fruit, our efforts also need time to show results. Therefore, we should remain patient and continue working even when progress seems slow. Good habits and a healthy lifestyle contribute greatly to success. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Regular exercise, proper sleep, and balanced eating improve our energy and concentration. Successful people also develop habits such as punctuality, honesty, responsibility, and respect for others. These qualities help them build strong relationships and earn the trust of society. Another important factor in success is the ability to take risks and accept change. Sometimes opportunities come with uncertainty, and we must step out of our comfort zones to grow. Fear of failure often prevents people from trying new things. However, every great achievement begins with a small step of courage. Taking calculated risks and adapting to changing situations can lead us to new possibilities. Surrounding ourselves with positive and inspiring people can also help us become successful. The company we keep influences our thoughts, habits, and actions. Friends, teachers, mentors, and family members who encourage us can provide valuable advice and motivation. At the same time, we should avoid negative influences that discourage us or distract us from our goals. Success should also be achieved with honesty and good values. Some people may choose unfair ways to reach their goals, but such success does not bring true satisfaction. Real success comes from hard work, kindness, and integrity. A person who is successful and also respected by others has achieved a meaningful and honorable life. Finally, self-belief is the foundation of success. A person who believes in his or her abilities can overcome many difficulties. Confidence helps us take action and continue moving forward despite challenges. We should never compare ourselves with others because every person has a unique journey. Instead, we should focus on improving ourselves every day. In conclusion, success is not a single event but a continuous journey of growth and improvement. It requires clear goals, hard work, discipline, patience, learning, and a positive mindset. Failures and challenges are not obstacles but lessons that make us stronger. By developing good habits, maintaining strong values, and never giving up on our dreams, we can achieve success in life. True success is not only measured by wealth or fame but also by happiness, personal growth, and the positive impact we have on others. Therefore, everyone should strive to work hard, believe in themselves, and continue moving forward on the path to success.